In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Asana tasks with Google Calendar using Chrome. This allows you to efficiently manage your schedule by viewing your tasks directly in your calendar. We'll walk through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, let's open Asana in your Chrome browser. Head over to app.asana.com and log into your account. If you're new to Asana or don't visit it often, make sure your login credentials are ready for a smooth start. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your projects listed, making it easier to dive into the specific project you want to sync. Next up, choose the project you wish to integrate with your Google Calendar. Click on that project to open it. By doing this, you'll be setting the stage to have all tasks and deadlines from this specific project accessible in Google Calendar, which can be a real game changer for staying organized. Now, let's navigate to the project actions. Look at the top right corner of your project view, where you'll see three small dots, often referred to as the More button. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Export Print from the list of options. This is where the magic happens, but we're not quite done yet. From the next options that pop up, choose Sync to Calendar. It's a quick and crucial step, allowing you to bridge Asana with your calendar. After you go through these steps, a pop-up will appear showing an iCal link. This link is what allows the events in your Asana project to be mirrored in Google Calendar. Copy this link carefully because it's essentially your connector between the two platforms. The next phase is to open Google Calendar, which you can access by navigating to calendar.google.com. You're now in the home stretch, so hang in there. Once you're in Google Calendar, focus your attention on the left panel. Here, you'll find a section titled Other Calendars. Click the plus symbol next to this, which indicates adding more calendar sources. From the options that appear, select From URL. In the From URL section, paste the iCal link you copied earlier from Asana. The final action here is to click Add Calendar. This confirms the addition of your Asana project into Google Calendar, and it might take a moment to refresh and populate your tasks. And just like that, you're done. Your Asana tasks will now appear in your Google Calendar, automatically syncing any updates made in Asana to keep things current. Enjoy the streamlined workflow and improved oversight of your projects. I hope you found this guide helpful, making task management a breeze from now on.